Welcome to WineDirect Essentials. In this video, we'll discuss the purpose of price levels and how to set up various price levels. Price levels allow you to create different pricing tiers for your products. This could be beneficial for small groups of contacts like wholesale customers or employees that may need to purchase products at a different rate than your default pricing. It's important to note that price levels require a fair amount of manual adjustment. You need to set the price level for every product and manually set a contact to a desired price level. Promos, on the other hand, are much more dynamic and require less manual effort. Because of this, we don't typically recommend using price levels for club member discounts. But again, there may be some instances where it is beneficial to use price levels. So let's walk through how to create a price level. In the admin panel, we'll navigate to the main tab Store and then the sub-tab Price Levels. We'll go ahead and click on the green Add a Price Level button and create an employee price level. The price level order is important. You always want the retail price level to be 1. Any additional price levels can be in whatever order you'd like as long as they are after the number 1. Another important note here, never delete your retail price level as this will break pricing across your website. Once you've added a price level name and order, press Save. Now we'll need to assign pricing for this price level. This can either be done one at a time in each product or by using the product import function. Let's walk through making this adjustment within a specific product. We'll select the main tab Store and then the sub-tab Products. We'll then select the desired product and head over to SKUs and Pricing. As you can see, there's an employee pricing level, so we can input the pricing here and then press Save. Another important note here, if you don't add a price within a specific price level, the product will be $0. So it's important to add pricing across the entire price level. Now that we've adjusted the price, let's go to a contact and add them to this price level. We'll go to the main tab Contacts and then search for the desired contact. In the action menu to the right, we'll select Manage Store. We can then edit the price level for this particular contact, whether they are a tax-exempt customer, and whether or not the customer can buy on account. Once you've set up the price level, adjusted pricing on products, and added contacts to that specific price level, your price level is ready to go. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.